What up, boys? It's Jake. We're taking over MCPG right now, and we're actually going to get some clips of Miller riding, because Miller's always behind the camera, man, and we need Miller riding clips. So coming at you.
Alright guys, so today we are gonna go ride pit bikes, as you guys can tell and know by the title. Christian's playing with me right now. He said he's not coming, so he might not actually come. I don't know. I don't really believe him. He plays a lot. So we're just gonna see and find out once we get there. We're gonna ride at Jake's buddy's house. We got another track. Jake is always hooking it up with the freaking pit bike tracks. I love that dude. We're actually getting some Chick-fil-A right now. I'm kind of excited, so I'm gonna do that. And you guys keep getting jiggy with it. Alright, here you go, bud. It's actually freezing cold outside today. Sadly. Thanks, bud. But yeah, it was just 90 in Texas, and now it's gonna be freezing cold once again. I'm not excited about it. Thank you. Gotta stop by KFC when Chick-fil-A is closed on Sundays, baby. KFC's actually super slept on. Can I make it over this? We are also still in the Subaru right now because the truck, I did not have a ride. I could not find a ride to go get the truck today. But we're gonna go get it soon because we need it for tomorrow's video, or for the video I'm recording tomorrow. So we gotta go get that truck like ASAP, Rocky style. So we're about 10 minutes from the track, so I guess I'll see you guys over there. Well, that looks like we're at the right spot, and Christian is not here actually, so that's actually really funny. Well, you guys know we got Jake. Who else we got back here? Who else we got back here? Oh,
Road Tail Brett.
Yeah, we got my pit bike, Jake's pit bike, and Brittany's loaner bike, and we're off-roading the Subaru today in some mulch apparently. You guys heard me before, Christian bailed on us because he's a mother bitch. And yeah, so if you guys would just go comment on his channel on his Instagram that he is a little, I would seriously appreciate that. And if you're subscribed to him, go ahead and unsubscribe because he is a huge flaker. Even though his van don't start, you know, he has other methods and means to get out here, but you know, he flaked on us. So yeah, Christian, love you buddy, but you suck a lot. But besides that, this is gonna be a fun ass track. We went and walked it already. I ate my lunch, smacked, and yeah, we're gonna go ride this pit bike track. There's a few big sins, so we're gonna see how that turns out. Yeah, let's get started. Here we freaking go, baby. He's running. What did I just witness? Got the new freshy gloves on. I don't know if you guys saw that in the last video. Oh, I need to stretch real quick. Oh, need to get loose. Gotta stretch. Gotta do some stretches first. Honestly, let's get that started. Touch your toes. We'll do the downward dog. Oh yeah, stretching your hims out. And your hams. We'll do the leg stretch, the old chicken wing left, do the old frontward arm stretch. All right, I think we're good now. This jump looks crazy, dude. Oh yeah, all right, we gotta get warmed up here. Oh. Oh my God, that's fun. Holy crap, that's awesome. Oh. Coming hot there. Oh my God, Chase and Mo would love this track. There's a big jump up here somewhere, I think. Oh, I can clear that all day. It's like, yeah, it's sketchy because if you like mess up your landing, you're in a tree 100%. Oh yeah. That's awesome. You don't realize how much air you get on the creek crossing one. Yeah. I was like, oh, I'm in the air for a minute. Okay, hold on. Ah, there's a bee flying in front of me. Come here, Brittany. Where's she going, bro? Oh, I cased the shit out of it. I cased the absolute shit out of that. Oh my God, it gets fast. Oh my God, the elevation change kills your arms though. This is like, we need to build something like this in Kyle's yard, dude. I want to clear that today. You get a lot more air than you think on these jumps. I think my buddy's here. Buddy! Oh my God, dude has a freaking... What's up, bud? Oh, he's got the whole unit. Yeah. I have not met your dog yet, Brayden.
Yeah? Leah, hey, come here.
Hi. Oh my God, you're so soft. You're so soft. What's up, dude? Can you guess who flaked on me today?
Who?
Who's not here?
Christian's on the way.
No, he's not.
I checked his location.
Is he?
And why is he on the bottom side of Charlotte?
I don't know. He flaked on me.
No, he's coming.
Call him.
No, he's not. He's going to ride with somebody else.
He's scared.
Call him. Ask him what he's doing today.
He's headed to ride with somebody else. He's over here. He came from up here. He should have came this way.
Brayden, come here. Is he gonna send it?
I don't know how y'all do it.
What? Come on, buddy. Oh shit. Send that. Yeah. Yeah. I'm glad Brayden decided to stop by. It's a ton of fun riding around here with him. He never comes to the tracks or nothing. Well, that was nice of Brayden to stop by. That was a ton of fun seeing him again. He's definitely gonna bring his pit bike back out here, so that'd be a good time for sure. So we're gonna keep on riding. I think I'm gonna do a few more laps and then we're gonna call it a day. It's been a great one so far. Oh, hit the track now. Oh, get schwasty on him. Oh, oh shit. I got a little shit. I just cut him out. Just cut her off like hardcore. Jake. Oh my God, I can't get it slooshed up right there. Oh my God, we're just straight up motoring today, baby. Out here, this is so sick. I hope you guys like this raw footage. Oh, because I might leave it raw. Oh, my foot slipped. My foot slipped. My foot slid straight off the brake. I was like, woo! I cleared it. That was so funny, dude. I got a little swampy after that one. Oh, jeez. She gonna take us out. Angry girl gets. Oh my God. Oh, oh, oh. I haven't said it already. This is probably one of my favorite tracks. Just the terrain, the conditions, the wide openness, the ability for any kind of rider. Like, I warmed up today on this track for sure. Oh my God, that's so much fun. Am I finally getting my wheelie mojo back? Oh my God, my hands are sore. Ow! All right, I'm gonna see if somebody gets some clips of me. Make a little jump line montage of it.
All my friends think I got money now. And their girlfriends think that I'm funny now. It's like all they ever talk about.
That's what he needs to do.
You
Woo!
knew me
Look at his
then,
head,
but
boy.
you don't know me
Thank you.
now. And this is for the friends who ain't really friends. Let me break it down, here's a definition. If you weren't around, you ain't going down, why you let me listen? And all the people talking in my ear, I ain't trying to hear, man, it ain't convincing. I be looking at my brand new watch and it says, oh gosh, time to pay attention. So we don't ever do it at a deficit. Hella big, oh my, but it's like an elephant. I remember when we did it for the hell of it. Independent, invented a way to ended up paying the rent. And now that I got my mama back in the crib, I can start to pay it back for all the things she did. And when they ask me if I like how I live, I say I do it all again, cause all my friends think I got money now. Their girlfriends think that I'm funny now. It's like all they ever talk about. You knew me then, but you don't know me now. Something's changed in everyone. This was meant to be fun. I'm fair. You stay home saying what you want. It don't mean nothing to me. All my friends think I got
Is he
money
dead?
now. And their girlfriends think that I'm funny
Burn out
now.
Brittany in the cut, boy. Just fill him up now.
All they ever talk about. You knew me then, but you don't know me
He's down again.
Wow, the first time I'm hearing this thing. Oh, let me pause the Arden so we can hear the boys roll in. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, hey yo. Yes, sir. You go to the Twisties or something?
Nah.
No, dude. This thing sounded good coming in though.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I was like,
Did you hear it
whoa.
from far, like the exhaust?
Yeah, oh, I can hear it in the whole neighborhood. We're screwed. Hey, did you see that freaking Chevelle?
Yeah.
Dude, that thing's not. And then this guy's got a 67 Charger.
A bunch of car guys here.
Bunch of car guys. They're gonna love you here. What's up, Daniel? How you doing, bud?
Good, how are you?
Dude, I saw you throwing that stuff into the lake or to the pond, the golf
Oh,
course.
yeah.
I was like, dude, I know that spot. All right, I'm handing the Subi off the vents, and we're gonna go get the truck. Oh, she's looking good except the bumper. Oh my god. Jeez, dude, this thing's towed way in more now. What the heck? That's weird. I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas. All right, let's get this. Twin Peaks, the Twin Peaks. Well, we got the truck home nice and safe and sound. Vince got my car back. Vince's car looks sick. Daniel's car looks sick. And yeah, it kind of drives really weird with the power steering still leaking. We found out later.
Really?
But yeah.
Your seats match your wood trim.
Yeah.
You're blowing the berms out, baby.